Today I am reviewing the Midea 5000 BTU AC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right off the bat, this unit is designed specifically for rooms up to 150 square feet, making it an ideal choice for small bedrooms, home offices, studio apartments, or even that hot spot in your home where central air just doesn't reach. With its compact size, about 15 inches deep and 16 inches wide, it fits snugly into most standard windows, and the installation process is refreshingly simple. Now, let's talk about cooling performance. The 5000 BTU output might sound modest compared to larger units, but in practice, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a sweltering summer day or just an unusually warm night, the Midea EasyCool will bring the room down to a comfortable temperature fast. You get 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling modes, and 2 fan-only modes, giving you enough flexibility to tailor the airflow to your exact preferences. Plus, the 2-way adjustable air direction allows you to control where the cool air goes, ensuring that every corner of your room gets attention. One of the best features of this AC unit is how quiet it is. With a noise level of just 57 decibels, it's quieter than a typical refrigerator, making it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices where you want peace and focus. You won't find yourself turning up the volume on your TV or struggling to hear your Zoom calls while this unit is running. It hums along quietly in the background, keeping you cool without becoming a distraction. Another strong point is the mechanical control interface. In a world filled with overcomplicated smart apps and finicky digital displays, the simple dial controls on this unit are refreshingly intuitive. Just turn the knobs to set the temperature or switch between fan and cooling modes. No remote, no Wi-Fi, no fuss. This makes it ideal for older users, rental properties, or anyone who values simplicity and reliability. Maintenance is also incredibly straightforward. The Midea AC comes with a removable and reusable dust filter, which you can rinse under running water to keep your air clean and your unit operating efficiently. The AC also reminds you when it's time to clean the filter, helping extend the life of the unit and maintain good air quality in your room. When it comes to energy efficiency, the unit scores a respectable combined energy efficiency ratio, CER, of 11.0. While it's not Energy Star certified, this rating means it operates efficiently enough to keep your electricity bill in check, especially if you're using it in a single room rather than cooling an entire house. Now, let's talk installation. Midea includes all the mounting accessories you'll need right in the box, and it's suitable for windows between 23 and 36 inches wide, with a minimum height of 13 inches. The process is easy enough for most people to handle with just a screwdriver. Just follow the included manual, and you'll have it installed and running in under 30 minutes. Lastly, it's backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, which shows that Midea stands behind its product. Their customer service is reliable, and registering your unit on their website unlocks faster support in case anything goes wrong. So, who is this air conditioner best for? It's perfect for students, renters, first-time buyers, and anyone who needs a budget-friendly, low-maintenance, and reliable cooling solution for a small space. It may not have high-tech features like smart integration or remote app control, but what it lacks in bells and whistles, it more than makes up for in consistent performance, ease of use, and value for money. If you're on a budget and need a dependable cooling system for a small room, the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool window AC is absolutely worth considering. It's quiet, efficient, easy to install, and it just works. What more could you ask for?